What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Rails and Mass. At the time of recording, it's Sunday, May 2nd, 2026 at 5:54 in the PM. And today we're back at Boston Engine Terminal, but today we're after something very specific. Keolis has once again leased the CSX geometry train, and it's here laying over for the weekend at BET. But first we're going to take a look at the regular power outside. It's nice to see a 4C out here again. Brings a little bit of variety. PNLX 9619 is also out here for the weekend. And we get a look at the C1 caboose. We saw the C2 caboose in the last video. Now looking around the other side of the building, we found the geometry train. It's been rumored that the CSX geometry train is here to aid with the calibration of our own two geometry cars, which you see here behind the CSX cars. And here we see a clip of one of the geometry cars in service on Anita Mine about a week ago. On the head end of the geometry train, we have GP40MC number 1130. Behind 1130, we have 9969. This is a GP40WH-2 that was built for the New York Central in 1967. To my knowledge, this is only the second time that this set has visited the Boston area like this for Keolis. And I definitely had to come out here and get some pictures and video before it's gone. That bell in the background you hear is an inbound train to North Station. Alright guys, that's it for today's look around BET. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.